Hi, my name is Rachel Gippetti, and I head up the academic skills team here at PCA. What my team and I do is basically provide advice and guidance and skill development for students across the entire BA and postgraduate year groups. And that support kind of includes things around writing or research or presentation skills, time management, really anything related to your course that you kind of want some advice or guidance with. We are available to work with you on that. You would see us kind of delivering workshops and seminars within your class time. So we kind of are embedded into programs, but we also have a whole host of workshops and seminars that we deliver outside of your class time that you can always get involved with. We also have a one-to-one appointment service that you are able to use. So you can kind of just go online, book an appointment with an advisor, and get that one-to-one time to work on whatever it is that you want to focus on. So for new students at PCA, you can access the service from day one. So again, you can just, jump online, book an appointment with an advisor, or use our events calendar to join in on any of the workshops that we're running. So it's a really kind of flexible service. We've got loads of online resources that you're also able to engage with. And I think if there was one thing that I would want students to know, it would be that we like to think that if you're studying at PCA, you're not alone. The service that we provide is always available for you to tap into. So, that said, we look forward to getting the chance to meet and work with you. Thanks.